Please no. Oh no. If I die, easy. Not even close. Can make a bed. For now, I'm gonna kill a pig or something and eat some food. Cause maybe you can tell, but I'm almost dead. I'm super stoked. Now, bed, sheep. Why are there so many wolves? Please die. Okay, mission. Find. Wow, my mind just went blank. Find iron. Ow! Yeah, yes. Right. Ow! I do not want to go too deep. Ah, gosh. Can you, like, not, please? You're in a way, but I just realized that. Can you, Mr. There's nothing. I don't want to go too deep. Dude. 2, 1. Bang. 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 I have food. It is a solo. And obviously people steal on servers as well. Dude, they're so scary. And I have pickaxe now. Combine everything here. I've never been so happy to see land. Is that what I think it is? Yes. Let's Oh, yo, there's a village right there. That is awesome. Bring this on me. Die. Don't, ow. Don't kill the villagers. Dog, dog, dog. Dude, I love that dog. First try. 2! First try. I didn't even need as many bones. Flesh I put away. I accidentally had the doggos. I got oh, 3 in a row. 3 in a row. Use of 1 bone. I'm gonna end the stream because I'm tired. Alright, bye.